Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Herlina from Department of Business Administration, Polytechnic Negeri Nunukan. Today, I would like to present our research entitled Sustainable Contextual Learning Innovation based on Indonesia-Malaysia border area to enhance student numeracy literacy and critical thinking skill. This research focused on education innovation in border area, especially in Nunukan, which is located at frontier between Indonesia and Malaysia. Border area often face education challenges such as limited access to quality learning resources, low numeracy literacy, and insufficient insufficient critical thinking skill among students. However, this border area are provides unique socio-economy activity and culture interaction that can be transferred into meaningful learning resources. The study will develop a sustainable contextual learning innovation based on border area characteristic. The model integrate contextual learning, digital media integration, and local wisdom into the learning process. The learning activity are designed using real-life border phenomena such as cross-border trade, economic transaction, and culture interaction between Indonesia and Malaysia communities. Through this approach, students are expected to connect theoretical concept with their daily experience, making learning more relevant, meaningful, and engaging. This research employed a quantitative approach involving secondary school students in Nunukan, and the dates were collected through questionnaire and learning assessment and analyzed using the SAM or with Smart PLS. This objective of this study are the first to examine the effect of the contextual learning of student numeracy literacy. The second is to analyze the effect of contextual learning and critical thinking skill. The third is evaluate the influence of digital media integration of numeracy literacy and uh, critical thinking skill. And finally is to examine the mediating role of the numeracy literacy to improving student critical thinking skills. The findings show that the learning innovation significantly improved the student learning outcome. Contextual learning has a significant effect on numeracy literacy with a coefficient value of 0.432 uh, and on critical thinking skill with a coefficient value of 0.386. Digital media integration also shows strong effect on numeracy literacy with a coefficient value of 0.556 and on the critical thinking skills with a coefficient value of 0.413. In addition, numeracy literacy significantly influenced critical thinking skill with a coefficient value of 0.285. Thus, finding indicate the integrating contextual learning and digital media can improve student engagement, motivation, analyze the analytical thinking, and problem solving abilities. And the novelty of this research lies in transforming real life border phenomena into structured learning context. And unlike conventional learning models, this innovation combine the contextual learning, local border characteristic, digital media integration, and the advanced statistical analysis using SAM and Smart PLS. This approach create adaptive and sustainable learning suitable to remote and border region. And the research model consists of four main variable is contextual learning, digital media integration, numeracy literacy, and the critical thinking skill. The result also show the indirect effect through numeracy literacy, contextual learning indirectly affect critical thinking skill with a coefficient value of 0.123, while digital media integration indirectly affect critical thinking skill with a coefficient value of 0.159. All T statistic value are above 1.96, and all the value are below 0.05, meaning that all the hypotheses are statistically significant. This innovation has strong potential to implementation and commercialization in the education sector, and the learning model can be developed into digital learning module, interactive educational application, online contextual learning platform, and teacher training program. This innovation can also support education policy in border and remote region and contribute to national literacy improvement program. And for future development, the study recommend expanding the implementation of the model of the other border and rural area in Indonesia. Future research may also integrate AI, mobile learning application, and more interactive digital technology to strengthen student learning experience. Collaboration with the school, local government, and educational institution is also important to ensure the sustainable of this innovation. In conclusion, sustainable contextual learning innovation based on border area characteristic has proven effective in improving student numeracy literacy and critical thinking skill. This study demonstrates that real-life local context combined with the digital technology can create meaningful, adaptive, and sustainable learning for students in border communities. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.